Yours on here now.
Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Idaho County and central Idaho, western Clearwater County and north central Idaho until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter. This storm was located 26 miles southwest of Orofino, or about 14 miles southeast of Lapway, and was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Osaka, Cardiff, Ferdinand, Glenwood, Greer, Jape, Muscle Shell, Orofino, Hardy, Pierce, Riverside, Wehype, and Woodland. Storms produce damaging. This is normal weather radio station. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Clearwater, and Idaho. Which was set in 1924. So far today, the low temperature has been 61. 8 degrees above the 49.